In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo album on your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your photography skills or sharing precious memories, displaying a photo album on your website can be both visually appealing and engaging for your visitors. Let's get started with the process. First things first, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, navigate to the website you want to edit and click on Edit Site. This will take you to the Wix editor where all the magic happens. Now, on the left side of the editor, you'll find a menu. Look for the option that says Add, or sometimes referred to as Add Elements. Give it a click. This is your gateway to adding various features to your page, ranging from text and images to more complex elements like galleries and contact forms. Next, you'll want to select the image element from the options. This is where you can start building your photo album by adding images to the site. After clicking on Image, a menu will appear on your screen, prompting you to choose how you'd like to bring in images. You'll find an option labeled Import Images. Clicking this enables you to either select images already uploaded to your media folders or bring in new images from your computer or connected device. Once you've imported your desired images, choose an image to add to your page. After selecting, find the Add to Page button and click it. This action places the image into the layout of your current web page. At this point, you might want to adjust its size and position according to your design preferences. With an image in place, let's move forward to add a gallery. Again, click on Add Elements to bring back the element options and choose Gallery. You'll be presented with a variety of gallery styles. It's important to pick a style that suits the layout and aesthetics of your website. Whether you prefer grids, slideshows, or mosaic layouts, select the one you love the most. After selecting the gallery, click it once it appears on your web page. You'll now see a button that says Manage Media. This is where you can fine-tune what images appear in this gallery. Click it and you'll be taken to a new interface where you manage the images within the gallery. Here, hit the button labeled Add Media to incorporate additional pictures. Subsequently, choose Image to open the window displaying your site files, or you can upload new media. From this window, you can either opt for images you've previously uploaded or choose to upload media to bring in new images from your device. Finally, choose your desired images and click on Add to Page to see them appear in your gallery, and there you have it, a beautiful photo album on your Wix site, ready to charm your visitors. Keep exploring and customizing your image arrangements to create the most appealing gallery that tells your story best. Thanks for watching and enjoy crafting your site with flair.